What's up, guys? Boy, Mark, man, you here with Team Profit over wages. We really getting paid, not going through the phases. And today, man, this video basically a lot of people been asking me, can you make a video on how to make some free money from home? And I'm like, yeah, I don't have no problem with that. A lot of people don't have the funds, don't have the money to start up in the other type of businesses that I have online. So they asked me to show them free ways to make money because I've been doing online marketing for a while, like for a long time. So I'm gonna share with y'all two ways you can make at least $100 a day with these free apps. So, all right, if you don't know about this app is called the Dosh app. You can see that. Now, the only way you can make money is if you are invited. So I will put the links below in the description. You can't really just go to these websites and sign up. You won't get paid because it's all based on the referral code. So with the Dosh app, all you have to do is download the app, connect a debit card, and you'll get paid $5 instantly just for downloading the app. Now, why do you have to connect the debit card? Sorry. Why do you have to connect the debit card? Is because the app is actually for savings and cash back from different offers and different stores you go in. So let's say you order a pizza from Pizza Hut, it give you like 2% cash back. Kroger give you 5%. It's just a good app to have anyway. It's just a good app to have anyway. So you want to go ahead and get this. Plus, you get paid just for downloading the app. That will be the first link in the description. You don't really have to do anything but just download the app. Then you will get a referral code. You can send it out to your family and friends, man. 5 people, that's $20. 10 people, I mean, I said 20. 5 people, that's $25. 10 people, man, that's 50. So that's easy money, man. That's easy money. So go ahead, get that app, download it right now. Come back to this video and on to the next step. So you can't say I didn't show y'all how to make no money. All right. The next one is the Chime app, man. Basically, if you don't know what Chime is, it's a bank that allows you to get paid 2 days earlier than everybody else at your job. So if everybody at my job get paid on Friday, I get paid on Wednesday. That's really why I like this bank account. Also, it saves for you. So let's say you got $100 in your checks account. If you don't touch it for like 2 days, it pays you. Like it pays you a 10%. So you know what I'm saying? It pays you 10% of whatever you save. So I like for the month, also for that week. So I like Chime. Now you get paid $50 per referral with Chime just for helping them open up this bank account. Now, if you know somebody who don't have a bank account, who needs a bank account, or don't have a car to go open up one, or the funds, because sometimes it's like $25, $35 to open up a bank account or deposit, just because they want to see that you have some type of income coming in. But no, guys, this is free, 100% free, and you get $50. So, how would you get $50 from Chime out? Once they connect and create their bank account with Chime, they have to set up a direct deposit and receive a direct deposit over $200. Let me say that again. How can you get $50 with Chime? They sign up, they create their account, they make a direct deposit, and they receive a direct deposit over $200, and you both get paid $50. Now, like I said, if you already have a job, you can go ahead and switch over your direct deposit to this bank. You get paid 2 days earlier, and you'll get an extra $50 on top of that. You really cannot lose if you think about that. Let's say you don't want to switch over your bank, but you just want the $50. If you got a Cash App, go ahead, put 200 on the Cash App, connect your Chime bank card to your Cash App, and boom, send it to that card, and you get paid $50. Simple, easy money. A lot of people come up with excuses. A lot of people come up with a lot of reasons why they don't want to do some stuff when when money involved. But this is 100% free, 100% legit. I am not the only person doing this. It's people all around the world using these different opportunities because somebody showed me. So With that being said, I'm showing y'all, the links will be down low. Go ahead and get those. You can make at least $100 today by the two methods that I showed y'all. So if y'all like the content that I showed y'all, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Don't forget to hit that bell so y'all be the first to know when I drop a video, man. Other than that, I'm out.